now told that Ansh is unable to join us due to a technical error, but moving on to a story on gold futures. Well, gold futures have been shining bright as traders bet on Fed rate cut in the second half of this year. But what is powering this gold rush, and will this rally sustain? That's the most important bit, and my colleague Shreyansi is helping us break this down.
Yes, we've seen quite the gold rush. Gold futures settled at a record level. When you look at spot gold prices as well, they're hovering near record high levels. And on the chart, you can also see a clear breakout in gold prices after March 1st. But the question is, what's powering the gold rush? There are 6 important factors or tailwinds for gold that we should be looking at. Well, first up, investors have ramped up bets of a Federal Reserve rate cut after softer US economic data. Typically, when rates fall, gold prices rise as investors prefer gold as a safe haven asset and bonds become less attractive. Now, data that I mentioned includes tepid US manufacturing and construction spending, as well as weaker price pressures that have bolstered gold's appeal. That's about the macro backdrop, but given that gold is a safe haven asset in times of geopolitical tensions, like the current scenario, with the Russia-Ukraine war as well as the war in Gaza, gold's glitter has definitely increased. Another reason is the buying from central banks, a key driver of gold in recent years that has also maintained its momentum according to the World Gold Council. Now, on a yearly basis, central bank buying maintained a breakneck pace. So when you look at the data, annual net purchases of 1,037 tons almost matched the 2022 record. Lastly, a range-bound dollar has also supported bullion, and 2022 was of course a crucial year to fasten the pace of central bank buying after the US blocked around $300 billion of sovereign Russian assets in the West. Over the last month, when you look at the dollar, then dollar posted a downtick of 0.5%, making greenback denominated gold cheaper for foreign currency holders. And not to forget the demand from users of gold, that is luxury sales across the world, that has also added to the sheen of gold in recent times.